Would never change anything in history. We know what happens to the timeline. It trickles down and messes everything up. You never go back in time and change anything. Hey, this is Scott from Rival Sons, and this is Finish the Sentence. There's a lot of things you don't leave on tour without, but you definitely want your toiletries with you. My suits gotta go on tour. I like to watch TV on the road in the bus. That's a tough one, because I do everything I tell my kids to do. Ta-da! I always told them to watch their mouth, and I use a lot of language with them. What my kids are putting on if I'm home. The kids are locked into YouTube these days. It's crazy. When I'm looking, probably stuff that people have posted of shows. It's the only way I can see what we've done generally. Would never change anything in history. We know what happens to the timeline. It trickles down and messes everything up. You never go back in time and change anything. Huntington Beach, California. Life. Also life, and a great gift. '80s pop. Bands like Level 42 or Cyndi Lauper, things like this, that I probably thought it was less great when I was in that era and a little tiny kid, and now think it's brilliant. Yeah, throw Go-Go's record on it.